As the launch of the Galaxy S23 series is getting closer, we are getting more details about the phones in the lineup. Today we have one more leak, and it comes from tipster Ice Universe. According to a tweet by the tipster, still photos captured in the night mode with the Galaxy S23 Ultra will look extremely bright as if the phone has night vision. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has very good low-light camera performance. However, recently launched devices like the Vivo X90 Pro Plus give Samsung a tough fight in low-light situations, thanks to their bigger 1-inch camera sensors. In fact, many reviewers believe that the Vivo X90 Pro Plus takes significantly better pictures in low light compared to Samsung's current flagship phone. That's a big blow to Samsung's face. Meanwhile, Samsung has been surely working on a bunch of its upcoming products, whether it be Samsung Galaxy S23 series, the One UI 5.1, or the Galaxy Book 3 series. All the devices are expected to launch in the same event, and the event is set to go live on February 1st, 2023. Well, we do not have any official confirmation regarding the device's official launch date yet, but the promotional images of the upcoming Galaxy Book 3 Ultra has been leaked online now. The promotional photographs for the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 Ultra smartphones were previously released. The photographs show the device as its whole. The latest photos of the forthcoming Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, Galaxy Book 3 Pro, and the Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360 have been surfaced online. The Galaxy Book 3 Ultra is shown in the leaked image in gray, with a design that is remarkably similar to its predecessor. The bezels around the display appear to be excellent and thin, with the front camera positioned in the center of the upper bezel. Samsung logo can be seen centrally on the bottom bezel, which is somewhat thicker than the other three sides. Meanwhile, all three laptops are quite thin and appear to feature a metal design. The Galaxy Book 3 Ultra has a large display and a full-size keyboard with a number pad, so it is possible that it has a 15.6-inch or a 16-inch screen. So what do you guys expect from the Unpacked event? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.